Hello all. So today I just want to show you a neat trick, which is aligning audio to a reference. Basically, the thing is, you see here, I have two things. I have my assembling the circuit, and I have my analog discovery 3 view. So you see there, then it gets overridden by that. But anyways, what you can do if you want to play them both back at the same time and have them in sync is you can go click one of them and set it as an audio reference, then click the other and click align audio to reference. Now it's gonna crunch a bunch of data here. You see, now it has aligned it together. Just move my.
Hello all. So we are here now on the bench, and
yeah. Anyways, thank you for watching this video, and I
up.
hope you tune in to any future videos of mine.